Hello there, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2016 Lexus RX 350 F Sport package. It comes with a sunroof, and also it comes inside with a red interior, power windows, power door locks, 3 memory seat settings. You have all the power on the dash, big screen over there, and pretty much the GPS controlling on the bottom, on and off. You could switch the transmission for two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and also the sport mode ecosystem. They have a sunroof. Vehicle is very clean and ready for sale. If you want me to secure this vehicle, please give me a call. Phone number 905-660-2901, extension 219. Thank you.